is Algebra 1, Lesson 68. We're starting on page 276, and we're going to talk more about complex fractions. A rational number is a number that can be written as a fraction of integers. So 13 is the same as 13 over 1, or 26 over 2, or 39 over 3. 4/7, negative 5 over 14. An algebraic expression containing variables that is written in fractional form is called a rational expression. So x plus 4 over 4, a over negative b plus 2c, 5, negative 7 over x, a plus b over 14 minus x. Rational numbers are considered a form of rational expressions. So all of these rational numbers are also rational expressions. We've learned how to add rational expressions by using the denominator numerator same quantity rule. So if we have a over b plus x over y, then we find a common denominator, in this case it would be by. To get by on this side, you multiply this side by y and this side by b, right? So we would have ay plus xb equals by, right? We've also used this rule to help simplify complex fractions. So if x over y is over b plus b over c, then we learned we can multiply the reciprocal of this guy, and these guys cancel, and you're left with xc over by. Okay? So now we're going to use both of these procedures when we simplify complex fractions that are sums of rational expressions. So the top is a sum, the bottom is a sum, and it's a complex fraction. So the first thing we're going to do is add any like terms in the numerator and the denominator and put them over one fraction on the top and one fraction on the bottom. So on the top, this is the same as x plus 1 over y, right? And on the bottom, this is the same as x minus 1 over y. Okay, now we're going to use the denominator numerator same quantity rule by multiplying both the denominator and the numerator by the reciprocal of the denominator, which means we're going to flip this guy upside down and multiply it times the top and the bottom. Okay, these cancel, the y's cancel, and we're left with x plus 1 over x minus 1. Okay? Okay, let's try this one. We have 1 plus 1 over x all over 7. So the first thing we need to do is simplify the numerator. It's the messy one right now. Our common denominator in the numerator is going to be x. So we're going to multiply this 1 times x over x. So this is going to equal x over x, x times 1 plus 1 over x all over 7, which equals x plus 1 over x all over 7, right? Okay, now we're going to multiply this top and the bottom of the complex fraction by the reciprocal of the denominator. And of course 7 is really 7 over 1. So the reciprocal is going to be 1 over 7. So we're going to multiply the top and the bottom times 1 over 7. These guys are going to cancel. And now we have x plus 1 over 7x. Okay? Let's try another one. We have 1 over x all over 1 minus 1 over x. So this time our messy fraction is the denominator, and we're going to start by there. Start there. So we're going to simplify this by putting them over a common denominator. So we have 1 over x all over this. The common denominator is going to be x, so this will be x over x minus 1 over x, which equals 1 over x all over x minus 1 over x, right? Okay, now that we have simplified fractions on the top and the bottom, we can multiply the top and the bottom times the reciprocal of the bottom. So the reciprocal here would be x over x minus 1. We're going to multiply that over here also. These are going to cancel, and our x's are also going to cancel. So what we're left with is 1 over x minus 1. Okay, let's try a couple more. Here we have a over b plus 1 over x plus b plus 4. So now we have two messy fractions, and we need to fix both of them. The common denominator in the top is going to be b, and the common denominator in the bottom is also going to be b. So we're going to multiply these two by b over b, which will be, a over b plus b over b over x over b plus 4b over b, right? So we'll have a plus b over b all over x plus 4b over b. Okay, now we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator, x plus 4b times b over x plus 4b, right? The denominator is going to cancel, and these b's are going to cancel. So what we're left with is a plus b over x plus 4b, and that's going to be your answer. Okay, let's look at this one. We have a to the negative 1 times x plus b to the negative 1 times y all over x to the negative 1. Let's rewrite this mess so that all of the exponents are positive. So this will be x over a plus y over b all over 1 over x. Correct? Okay, so now in the top we need to find a common denominator. The common denominator is going to be a times b. So we're going to multiply this side by b over b, and this side by a over a. And for the moment, we're ignoring the bottom. Okay, we're going to multiply this through, and we will have bx plus ay all over ab all over 1 over x. Okay, now we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. This will be x over 1. Okay, and now we multiply this through. So this will be x times bx plus ay all over ab. We do not want to leave it in this parentheses. We want to multiply it through. Bx squared plus axy over ab. And that would be your answer. Okay, that's it for this lesson. These are a little tricky starting out, but I'm pretty sure you can do them. So give them a try. Try your practice problems. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank